Hi everybody, welcome back to House of Miracles Learning Adventures channel. Are you ready for a cooking quiz today? Let's begin. Good luck. What is she doing? She is chopping vegetables. What is she doing? She is twisting a bottle. What is she doing? She is whisking dough. What is she doing? She is flipping a pancake. What is he doing? He is mixing salad. What is she doing? She is pouring milk. What is she doing? She is sprinkling salt. What is he doing? He is slicing sausages. What is she doing? She is peeling an apple. What is she doing? She is stirring soup. What is he doing? He is frying vegetables. What is she doing? She is rolling dough. Hey, did you guess the answers? If so, well done. If not, you've learned some new cooking words. For more amusing videos, subscribe to our channel and keep learning.